All right, one thing we're going to learn in math is algebra. And this is where sometimes some adults go, what, algebra at this young age? But we have a simplified version for you. And it's just getting you used to it for when you get into the older grades. Just to make it a little easier. I didn't start algebra until like high school. Nowadays they're starting it earlier, which if you learn about it now, it'll be so much helpful in the future. So algebra is just trying to find an unknown number. So it could be as simple as this. 5 plus blank equals 8. So we know the blank is equal to 3. Because if I put 3 in there, 5 plus 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. There we go. Okay. So even similar to 10 take away square equals 3, let's say. So instead of a line or a blank, this time it's a square. What does that square equal to? So we have to subtract something from 10 to get 3. Okay, so if I start at 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Well, that was 7 fingers worth. So that square must be equal to 7. And if I put the 7 in there to double check, 10 take away 7 equals 3. Yeah, that's correct. So that's basically it. Now, the only other step is they like to use letters to represent those missing numbers or those unknown numbers. So something like this, 2 plus a equals 4. So it's no different. That a is the same as the square, is the same as that blank there. So we have to figure out how much a is equal, or what it's worth. So 2 plus what equals 4? Well, 2 plus 2 equals 4, so a must equal 2. Okay, so this is kind of the extent that we're going to do. We're going to do some adding and subtracting. There are some tricky subtraction ones, but I'll give you some additional help on that. But it's pretty much trying to find what the unknown amount is. Okay, and it's I can use letters, any letter, doesn't matter. I try to avoid using the letters O and I because they look like a 0 and a 1, and that can be very confusing. So I try to pick other letters.